If you're self-aware and you're still struggling, this is for you. People who are conscious and aware of their body, habits, and their inner world tend to be very disciplined, but they tend to be very hard on themselves too. They don't move through life unconsciously. They study themselves. So from the outside, you'll be thinking, oh, I know they always make better decisions. But often, they don't. And when they fall off, they don't always talk about it. They don't always reach out. They even mask it. Because when you're aware, there's a certain pressure that comes with that awareness. A pressure to know better, a pressure to do better, a pressure not to mess up. And when you do mess up, it doesn't even feel neutral. It feels personal. I'm trying to tell you, this right here is where a lot of binge eating quietly begins. Right here, from that point. Not from the ignorance, not from the lack of discipline, but from the over-consciousness mixed with emotional overload. Highly aware people don't just fall into a binge, they watch themselves fall. Let me tell you, watching yourself fall into a binge is not a good place to be. The awareness can actually deepen the shame. So instead of addressing it openly, they internalize it. And that internalization creates tension. And that tension always looks for relief. And guess where the relief at? Guess where the relief come from? Food. Food becomes one of the quickest ways to release that pressure, even temporarily. Because we know it ain't gonna last, but we go there anyway. But this doesn't mean that awareness is the problem. It means that awareness without compassion becomes heavy. If you're someone who feels like, I know better, so why am I still in this same situation? I understand myself, so why am I still struggling? If you that person, then this conversation is for you. Because I ain't just talking to you, I'm talking to myself. Because awareness doesn't just mean immunity from struggle. It means you feel it more clearly. You feel it clearly than others. And sometimes I've learned along the way, especially when awareness starts to feel heavy, is that you just don't need more information. You need a reset. And I've also found that giving myself that short pause helps me to become more aligned with what I already know. And that's why I created the 7-day mind-body reset. And it's not about a restriction or fixing yourself or anything like that. It's just a gentle way to reconnect with yourself. And if you feel called to do so, you can find the link in my bio. And if this resonates, stay connected, because that's the kind of work we're doing over here.